Trenz offers correlated color temperature selectable fixtures that allow you the freedom of selecting the shade of white that fits your home or room. With the flick of a switch, change the color temperature from soft white, warm white, neutral white, cool white, and daylight. Change the atmosphere of a room based on the style of your home. Complement traditional warm brown hues with warm color temperatures for a cozy feel, and modern, cool blue and black hues with cool color temperatures for a bright, modern look. Or, set the mood based on the tasks you're doing in the space. Rooms that are used more during the day, such as workspaces, are better suited with cool color temperatures, while rooms that are used in the evening are best suited with warm color temperatures, allowing you to relax and unwind. The Omega Pro and Thin LED Pro fixtures have the color selectable switch available on the face of the fixture, below the ceiling, for easy access. No need to remove the fixture from the ceiling. For the Retina Pro, Thin LED Multi Pro, and Thin LED Edge Light, the color selectable switch is located at the back of the fixture, above the ceiling. Simply access the switch yourself by carefully removing the fixture from the ceiling. For more information on how to do this, please refer to the installation instructions. To learn more, please visit trenzlighting.com.